Hey yo, get inside dog, come in, homie.
Mulweni mkhulu wami. Ngiyaphileka kodwa namhlanje bhuti wami.
What the fuck? What's up, dude? What kind of question is that, dude? You can't see that I'm still alive, dog.
God man yami mibuza impilo bhuti wami.
What's your problem, dog? What are you saying?
How are you, Brian, today, Brian?
I am doing good, homie. How about yourself?
Ndisemandleni nami bhuti manje sisemandleni nami bhuti manje. Esibabedi shaya ngokhipha busy kanjani akubona usePoland apha la wena okobe ndibhala lapha ilanje izolo manje ebusuku price so one night stand ingoma yami ndishaya ngoyireka namhlanje man if you don't mind god man yami ndiyacela
Salute. Nah, I got you, dog, man. You can just take your seat, bro.
Okay, tangin yabonga kakhulu kodwa manje yami ndiyabonga kakhulu enansi enye into manje wami ndicela ma kodwa manje ngicela nje ungahanqi kakhulu mana maxesha manje xa uthetha because uJoji uyahamba yambhide phana abanye amagama Brian ndingawava ncama ndiyabonga uthethe straight ayikabe kodwa nyanga kodwa manje
Nah, man. It's fine, man. No problem, man. No problem, yeah. Goku, masisipane, uzengalendo apha yani. So yeah, where we are going to start right now. Sizoqala apha ya. I-artist apha e-studio iza ne-beat yayo. But ke if ever awunayo i-beat, siyakuthengisela apha e-studio beat. Sinayo i-beat maker. Wena utsho nje i-type ye-beat oyifunayo. Therefore, ufumana i-beat yakhe ingaxaxisiyo nge-150. Day 5. I am giving you 1 hour to record your vocals.
Yeah, I need
as an artist was already in studio.
Yeah.
I
was born ready.
Yes. I guess you know that the time is money.
Yeah, you saw it in the bar.
So sinomoshela nixesha ngelikajani.
Tu khotma nyamasoze khuleko
Last but not least, mixing and mastering is 350. Ayixoxisi, ayixabanisi, ayigalazisi, uphuma nequality
esmart. Okay,
so yavakala ke umnqoshweni.
Nikufakahle.
Do you have any questions?
Kanjani bhutiri mani mmela bhuti omdala mani apha bengincele idaka apha umona bhuti omdala plus ichoke emnqalo apha kodwa mani into ke ngoku
yabona iphupho lam ngizafezekisa mpintshi yami iva ngam sizophumelela gazi lami intshaba zam ndisifaka uphuma phela endleleni yam funa ukwazi ambobuza ngami mhlophekazi ungayikwazi andimncanye umjito ezenza umfazi bastraight ikhazi ngoba ungazibhaqa uvuka phansi nje siphuphe erhontshini funa imali ebhanki